Hello everyone, today I will introduce two machines to you. Semi-automatic handheld electric baler. Many customers ask so cheap. Packing is not recommended for many machines. Today we introduce the JDH16 and VE. Both of these balers can be used for PP bags and PET plastic steel bags. Tape width is 13-16. Tape thickness is 0.51.2. The body of JDH16 is relatively light, only 2.75 kg. VE fuselage has 4.0 kg. If you pack often for eye picking, we recommend that you choose JDH16. Workers operate for a long time. You won't feel a soreness in your arms. JDH16 battery is 3000 mAh. VE battery is 2000 mAh. In terms of workload, it is relatively speaking. The battery life of JDH16 will be slightly stronger. Then we will show you the tape operation of this JDH16.
操作。
If you have any questions about this backer, you need to consult us.